Ano niya sa kakabit ni Ken eh?
Yung
Ken
sa,
eh.
yung sa, going on the list or sa,
Na?
and then, well, the induction and additional members of Tarlac Ramos, Tagasag Eagles Club, Tarlac Supreme Eagles Club, and Pampanga Delta Dragons Eagles Club. Today here at Hamilton in La Paz, Tarlac, December 10, 2023.
And the issuances of Magna Carta 1989, the induction of new members of Tarlac Ramos, Tagasag Eagles Club, Tarlac Supreme Eagles Club, and also the Pampanga Delta Dragon Eagles Club is now called to order.
Our divine providence, in pursuit and furtherance of the cherished goals and objectives of our beloved fraternity.
La Paz Police Station, headed by Police Captain Resty Mayba. Sunga Malyari. Jason Garcia Guevara.
for strength and hope.
In your region, and even in the national fraternity. I repeat, attend monthly meetings in your club, in your region, and in your national fraternity. And participate in all the activities in your club, in your region, in your national fraternity. Pay your obligations always in your club, in the region, and in your national fraternity. Last but not the least, let us not
State your name.
I, Club Ramos, Kalasag Eagle Club,
Having consciously and freely applied to be a regular member of State Your Club, a club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal socio-civic organization, and the capabilities of my club to carry and pursue 10 ideas of the Philippine Eagles. Do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, as well as all laws, rules and regulations promulgated by the Philippine Eagles. And I shall consciously defend at all times said Eagles delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, with my national fraternity, and to all my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations.
Brotherhood we work and serve. Peace and unity. Love humankind.
po, may labas na po, mayari yun.
And now,
Mabuhay ang agila! Mga ate, anong masasabi nyo tapos na ang induction? Ikaw? Uwi na? Ikaw, uwi na?
Na-stress ako doon sa bata.
Ate Pres.
Na-stress ako doon sa bata.
Dito. Gobyerno.
Kalasag Eagles Club. We request the presence of the regional governor and the regional officer for the handover of the charter grant to Kalasag Eagles Club.
Buhay, Pampanga, Dragon Eagles Club!